Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this makeup look, which is just a really pretty soft pink look, and it's just very feminine. So I wanted to stick to a very monochromatic look, and I think that we achieved that today. And I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm not sure if you guys follow me on Instagram, but you should. That information will be down below. My sister-in-law actually gave this to me a few weeks ago, probably like 2 weeks ago. And I really haven't had a chance to fully play with it, so I wanted to use it with you guys today. And I really love the way everything turned out. I think it's very soft, very pretty, very girly. Very like florally is really how I feel. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. Alright guys, I'm going to take my Milk Hydro Primer and I'm going to use this really all over my face. I had to resist all urge to use my Charlotte Tilbury sample because, man, it's that good. But I'm going to go in with Dose of Colors Find Your Hue, and this is shade 123. I'm using a Juno & Co. sponge, which I believe they're calling this one the Storm. So it looks pretty good, but I'm going to go in with a little more just around my cheeks because that's where I always want more coverage. This is so bad. I'm literally, like, I loved this foundation when I got it. I loved it, and I still really like it, but after using the Charlotte Tilbury, guys, it's good. And I'm realizing it as I'm using this that it's really good. Fenty concealer in the shade 290. So I can't, there's no way I can get it. I have to wait till I go through some of my stuff, but it is so good. Alright guys, to finish the complexion, well, to set the complexion, I'm going to go in with my Elsie powder in medium, and I'm going to use my Kabuki brush by, why can't I, Bare Minerals. Bare Minerals. And I really want to get this on my lids because I'm not using a primer. I think for my makeup look today, I'm going to use the Huda Rose Gold palette. I am going to take Demure, which is this shade here, right here. Boom. My nails look like crap, guys. I got, it always happens, like my nails will be really good for a little bit and then they just break. It's the story of my life. So I'm just taking this with a fluffy brush, and I am going to use that to set the lid, but also create the base for my look, which I don't know what it's going to be yet. This is such a pretty color on its own, and I'm just building it with this fluffy brush because, again, I don't want it to be very pigmented. I want it to be very soft. The softer you apply your shades, the easier they are to build up. If you go in with a heavier application, it's going to be more work to blend it out, and it's also going to be just, it can be a little patchy. So I'm taking this brush and I'm just building where I need it, and it's also blending it out for me. Don't get me wrong, I love me a good flat brush, which I have here, but for this I just want a soft application before I go in with my heavier shade. Actually, I think I do. I don't know if I should use, I'm gonna go in with Rose Gold, which is this shade here, and I'm taking my flat brush, and I'm going to take this color and just apply it first to the center and see if I'm content with just having it packed in the center. I'm going for a pinky look today. Let's try my finger. Oh yeah, we're using the finger. And we are definitely just keeping it to the center. So I'm packing the color with one finger and I'm blending out with the other because I don't want to add more color or concentrate that more than what I am. So with a clean finger, I'm just making sure that it's blended and not super spread out. And I'm just taking a little bit of Demure and I'm just kind of applying it to the inner and outer corner to make sure that everything is blended. Okay, I'm gonna go in and do this other eye. So before I move on with this look, I'm gonna do my eyebrows because at this point I really want to just kind of see where I'm going. And it helps to frame the face, which is what I'm going to do by adding my eyebrows, and then we'll come back and finish a look. But I'm going to keep this very soft so I won't add a liner. So I'm gonna come back with brows and mascara. This is where we're at. So it's very soft, as you guys can see. I think this is a beautiful like day-to-day look. I'm gonna go in with Demure, which is a shade that we used again all over our lid. And I'm going to take the flat brush that I had used to try and apply the shimmer and just apply this shade right under the eye. Ooh, I got some creasing going on. I'm gonna end up going in with a little bit of a darker shade, but I want to just keep the lower lid soft. Okay. I'm gonna take this rougher pencil brush, which I absolutely love, and I'm going to go in with Coco, which is a shade here. That's what my sister calls my son, Coco. And I'm going to use this just to line the lower lash line. Again, just wanting to keep it very soft. I love this brush. This is the 03. It is amazing. It's like the perfect brush for detail work or smoking the lower lash line out. Amazing brush. Okay, I'm gonna take, what is this? Mascara. And I'm just going to apply this on my lower lash line. I am going to take the Trust Fund shade, which is this shade here. And I'm going to use it with the same pencil brush. And I'm going to pop that in the lower inner corner. So I got a little bit of fallout here. I'm going to take a concealer that's close to my shade and just pop that in the inner corners just to clean it up because I don't want it to be crazy and messy. So I'm going to let that set for a little bit. So now that I've blended that out, I'm just going to go in with my powder and press that in to set it. Yeah. Ta-da! I'm going to be taking my Glowgasm palette by Charlotte Tilbury to use that bronzer. I've been loving this bronzer. For my blush, I'm going to be using Nevermore by Melt Cosmetics. And I'm just going to use it with the same brush. And this is going to act as a blush and highlighter. I'm going to use this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist Spray. And I'm really just concentrating it in the cheeks. This thing is so fine that you almost feel like you haven't applied anything. And I can see why people blow through this so quickly. And it does smell like a Jolly Rancher. It's so good. For my lips, I'm going to take this Candy Drop Lip Oil. This is by MAC, and unfortunately, I don't think they make this anymore. And I'm going to take this lip gloss by Pat McGrath in Pale Fire. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like it, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know if you have any suggestions for upcoming videos. I appreciate you guys so much, and let me tell you guys, there's a few of you that constantly make an effort to comment on my videos, and I appreciate that more than you can ever know. Thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.